We're here in northern Greece, retrofitting the tie backs on this hailnet system. First of all, we need to install the anchors. So now we've got the fixing point installed, we're going to install the DPAK 8. It's a pre-fused cut length of wire. We're going to wrap that around the top post, around the top of the post twice, like so. Then we're going to feed the end through the pre-crimped loop at the end. Drop that down, and that's going to form the first half of the tie back. So now we've got the DPAK fixed to the top of the post, we're going to bring it down and through our fixing point and through the first channel of the dynamic. Going to bring that around the post and then back through the second channel. Like so. Then we're going to take the XL tensioning tool and just nip that up. That's it. Easy as that. So that's how easy it is to install the DPAK 8. For more information, visit gripple.com or your local Gripple dealer.